Did that spook you out? Now, let's get to the question. Mommy, what's the first question?
No, what's the direction?
What's the direction?
Explain it.
So, guys, today the direction here is supposed to be...
What's your game?
The game is called...
Zachary
learns how to speak Tagalog, but there's also gonna be English questions. We have English and Tagalog questions.
No,
so
we're going to speak on Tagalog.
Okay, are you kidding me? You need to ask Tagalog questions to me because I like that.
And you're going to answer me with Tagalog.
Okay,
Okay. Ready?
Set.
3, 2, 1,
go! Bang!
Ang aking katanungan.
Okay.
Ano ang ginawa mo sa Longos?
Laro na si Kuya Patrick at si Marcos.
Ano ang nilaro ninyo?
Naglakad ng kami.
Laro ba yun? Opo. Tapos, pagkatapos nyong naglakad, ano ang ginawa ni Zachary?
Pununta kay Marcos' house.
House? Ano yung Tagalog ng house? Pumunta ako sa bahay ni Marcos. Tapos, ano ang ginawa mo sa bahay ni Marcos?
Si Mama Marcos hindi pupuntan ako at si Marcos kasi hot doon.
Ano yung hot? It's okay kasi mainit doon. Ano? Okay lang. Ano ang ginawa niyo doon sa bahay ni Marcos?
Si Mama Marcos ay hindi... Mommy, I give up. Mommy, I always forget my words.
It's okay. That's why. Tinuturuan ka ni Mommy.
No, just stop the video. I'm tired.
Why are you tired?
I'm going back to sleep.
Okay, good night guys. You need to say good night.
Good
Paalam
night.
Tagalog sa Tagalog lang. Anong gagawin niyan sa Karina?
I'm going to sleep.
Tagalog
I don't know, Mommy. I'm
Matutulog
tired.
na po ako.
No, Mommy.
Sige, sabi mo na.
Tutulog na ako.
Paalam.